Toyota recently revealed the 2026 GR GT3, and the motorsport world hasn't stopped talking since. Unveiled in early December 2025 alongside its road-going twin, the GR GT supercar, the GR GT3 is Toyota Gazoo Racing's full-scale assault on the FIA GT3 category. This isn't a concept or a lightly disguised prototype, it's a customer racing car engineered from the ground up to let privateers and gentleman drivers fight for overall victories in series like the IMSA WeatherTech Sports Car Championship, Fanatec GT World Challenge, and the reborn GT3 class at Le Mans. The mission statement is simple but brutal. Build the most driver-centric GT3 car on the grid. To do that, Toyota threw away every convention that didn't serve the driver. The result is a front mid-engined rear-wheel drive monster with an all-new aluminum space frame, Toyota's first ever, extensive carbon and forged aluminum components, and a silhouette that looks like a Le Mans hypercar that's shrunk in the wash. At just 1,090 millimeters tall and 2,050 millimeters wide, it sits lower and meaner than a 911 GT3R, with every vent, splitter, and diffuser shaped first in the wind tunnel and only later worried about looking pretty. Under the long hood lives the star of the show, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 derived from the unit in the GR GT car. In race trim, it's expected to push well north of 600 horsepower and rev past 9,000 RPM, fed by mandatory air restrictors and singing through a side exit exhaust that promises to be one of the best-sounding cars in modern GT racing. Power goes to the rear wheels through a 6-speed sequential X-Tract gearbox and a mechanical limited slip differential, with no hybrid assistance allowed under GT3 rules, pure internal combustion fury. Suspension is double wishbone front and rear, brakes are massive Brembo carbon ceramics, and the whole package rides on center-lock 18-inch wheels wrapped in Michelin slicks. Toyota claims a dry weight comfortably under 1,300 kilograms BOP, balance of performance target most GT3 cars hover around, thanks to that aluminum chassis and obsessive lightweighting everywhere else. What really sets the GR GT3 apart, though, is the driver-first obsession baked into every bolt. Akio Toyoda, still testing cars under his Marizo alias, spent hundreds of hours in the simulator and on track alongside pros like Masahiro Sasaki and gentleman drivers to make sure the car is forgiving when you need it to be and savage when you don't. Stability control has multiple intervention levels. The brake bias is adjustable on the fly, and aero package is designed to remain stable even when the car is sideways. Because, in Toyota's words, fun matters. Customer deliveries are slated for late 2026, with homologation is already underway, and Toyota Gazoo Racing has promised factory-backed support packages that include everything from spare parts logistics to on-event engineering and even driver coaching. Pricing hasn't been officially announced, but whispers from inside the paddock put the turnkey race car in the 600,000 to 700,000 euro range before taxes, competitive with the Porsche 911 GT3R and Mercedes-AMG GT3 Evo. For a company that only entered serious GT racing a decade ago with the Lexus RCF GT3 Evo, the GR GT3 feels like a statement of arrival. Toyota isn't here to make up the numbers anymore. They're here to win, and to remind everyone that internal combustion performance cars can still set your soul on fire in 2026 and beyond.